As I was making my way through the blizzard here in Minneapolis, I came upon this strange, somewhat frightening scene. Are these refugees fleeing from some act of terrorism unnoticed by the omniscient NSA? Is it perhaps live-action role-playing, where they're pretending to make their way through a desolate, wintry landscape? Perhaps they've run out of food, and this family is struggling to get to the grocery store before they all starve to death. None of the above. It's a group of ordinary daycare children enjoying a lovely, amazing President's Day holiday in the beautiful snowman, snowball, Winter Olympic snow. And here in lovely Minneapolis, Minnesota. Hooray for winter. We love you, Minnesota. Now, of course, our childcare licensing people probably would hate this, but fortunately they can't yet control everything that we do.